Cedric Lee, who admits taking part in the mauling of actor Vong Navarro, is now under investigation by the Bureau of Internal Revenue. BIR Commissioner Kim Menares says the agency often checks on personalities involved in big controversies. She said, based on an SEC report, Lee owns 14 companies. A document obtained by ABS-CBN says Lee has been dealing with officials from the PNP, mostly in agriculture and mining. Lee even went into 4 businesses with Tyrone Ong, who was linked to the Eurogeneral scandal in 2008 as the source of the money brought by former police director Eliseo de la Paz to Russia.
Magsisinungaling naman ako kung hindi ko sasabihin curious ako. Kung nagbabayad ba itong tao ng tamang buwis, no? Kasi sinasabi niya na marami siyang negosyo.